Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Sumit Joshi and I am Managing Director for Signify India. 30 years ago, there were a handful of lighting players and all of us used to sell conventional lighting products like normal incandescent lamp. As a company, we took first steps to introduce in 2008 first commercial LED lamp. In 2012, only 22% of our sale used to come from LED products. Today, 80% of our sale comes from LED products. Every LED product which gets used in place of incandescent lamp, we save 80% of energy. Lighting used to consume more than 20% energy back then. Today, lighting products consume less than 13% of energy. LED has become a norm. And now we are here today to introduce to all of you something even more spectacular, something even more disruptive than LED lighting. Climate change is the biggest challenge which humanity is facing today. Let's make no mistake about it. And all of us have a role to play. As consumers, we need to consume with responsibility. And as manufacturers, we need to adopt all practices which are environmentally friendly. Imagine today that goods are traveling from one location to the other location. Thereby we are generating so much of carbon footprint. We need to change that. So it's no surprise that today what I'm going to talk about is a new revolution, which is a sustainable way of doing business. Can't we produce goods in a way which has much lower impact on the environment? Yes, we can. Signify has always taken a lead in bringing in new ways which are far more sustainable in doing business. In 2020, we became carbon neutral across the world. Very few companies who are carbon neutral today. We lead as number one company in Dow Jones Index for sustainability. So it's no surprise if this change has to happen. Who has to take the lead? It is us. So today what I'm going to share with you is very exciting news of how can we produce goods which is much more sustainable for our environment. So today we are launching India's first 3D printed luminaire. I'm sure you are aware about 3D printing as a technology. It's being used in medical devices, and even you would have heard things like jewelry being produced by 3D printing machines. But we are the first company who's investing in a 3D printing facility to produce lighting luminaires with 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology is far more sustainable. 3D printing is what we call as a triple bottom line technology. It is good for climate, it's good for consumers, and it is also good for companies. So you may ask me, how does it impact the climate? A 3D printed luminaire has 47% lower carbon footprint than traditionally manufactured metal luminaire. With multiple print hubs around the world, we manufacture these custom-made luminaires locally. And nearly every component may be reused or recycled. This supports the concept of circularity. Further aspects like there is no paint, there are less parts, less screws, and a very smart and modular design ensure that there is a very high or a very significant waste reduction. So it is clear that 3D printing is good for climate. Now let's talk about customers. Why should customers buy 3D printed products? Tailor-made and on-demand. These two words are very important and mean a lot to consumers. Those consumers who are wanting to buy uniquely designed lighting products, and they also want it delivered in a very short period of time. 3D printed luminaires create magic by offering tremendous choice for consumers and interior designers. Today, they can have an infinite combination of color of texture and unique designs, making it a truly bespoke product. Now you can print these luminaires in your own brand color. You can also print your brand logo on these luminaires. Won't it be amazing to see your brand logo in your own colors being deployed across your retail stores or your offices or even across your industries? Albert Heijn, which is one of the biggest supermarket chains in Netherlands, partnered with us and we designed a unique shaped luminaire which was deployed across all their stores. This luminaire came in a shape of a fruit. It really enhanced the atmosphere in that fresh food section. And what was amazing about it is that if you want to reprint them, if you want to refresh your design, you just have to give that design back to us. We will shred it and we will create a new design for you, which can then be deployed in all your stores. If this is possible for a retail store, it is also possible for your homes. You're sitting at home, you're feeling bored with the same old design which you have. You want to have something new. Now it's very simple. You can also use your creativity to really design your home the way you want it. What do you need to do? Go online, visit our website, choose the color which you want to choose the texture which you want to choose the shape which you want to choose, and just simply place the order. Your wish will be our command. We will print that luminaire for you and dispatch it to you very, very fast. Isn't this amazing? So we saw why 3D printing is good for climate. We also saw why 3D printing is great for consumers. But it is also very good for companies like us. The best thing is that we are able to give to customers what they want. Is it possible in a normal traditional way? It's not possible. Today we can make it happen. But even more than that, we don't have to stock things. We are going to make to order. So there is a lot of cost which is saved on inventory. Because it is locally produced, we also save a lot of cost on transportation. And all of this makes the whole manufacturing process far more sustainable. The reason why we are investing in this technology is because sustainability matters to us. And sustainability should matter to everyone. Whether you are a customer, whether you are an interior designer, or whether you are a company who is wanting to go and adopt sustainable practices and choose products which are sustainable. Make in India. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Vocal for local. This is the best local which you can get. Closer to you, custom made for you. We are putting this facility in our lighting factory in Vadodara with different sets of printers which are able to print luminaires up to 60 centimeters. We also have a technology center in Noida who is developing this technology. So you will be really intrigued to know more about what this 3D printing is all about, how does it happen. So without wasting time, let me take you to what happens behind the scene.
At our 3D printing design lab in Noida, we are continuously innovating with different designs and shapes of luminaires to suit unique customer requirements. Our team of engineers are always working and experimenting with high-performance material palettes and textures to create interesting lighting products for customers suitable for various applications such as retail, hospitality, industry and homes. The combinations of materials and textures offered by 3D printing is truly countless and only limited by one's imagination. Customers can choose their color, finish and texture for a truly unique and bespoke design. We also welcome customers, interior designers, architects and lighting designers to visit our state-of-the-art innovation lab to experience the technology firsthand and see their luminaire being printed in front of their eyes. They can also work together with our design experts to create a truly bespoke design that meets their specific requirements. This production site is also designed to cater as a production facility for small orders. Configuring and ordering a 3D printed luminaire is now super easy. You can either visit your nearest Philips Smart Light Hub, where our team can help you configure your custom-made luminaire. Alternatively, you can also design and order your luminaire from the comfort of your home by logging onto our website www.tailored.lighting.philips.com and following these simple steps. Select from our wide range of product categories and shapes. Choose from the vast choice of colors. Create amazing lighting effects with our translucents. Make a statement with our lollipops and add a sophisticated touch with our elegant metallics. Select the texture, lines, woven, grooves, or just normal finish. Determine the lighting details, mounting and socket options, and finally, just place your order. Once we receive your order, we will 3D print it, assemble it, and deliver your custom-made product to you in a matter of days. 3D printed luminaires give you the power of choice to design your lighting just the way you like it. Tailored luminaires for a circular economy. That's the magic of 3D printed luminaires from Signify.